Sarah said anything about the baby yet?
Not yet, but she might.
London Victoria.
Still was stressing over Sophie having a heart attack over Simba. That was so sweet. She loves him. I love him so much. He's gonna die.
I didn't help that he was going, it's gonna fall off.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your supervisor here. We're just about to arrive at Hove. Any passengers for Brighton? You should change here. Just need to cross over to platform 2.
Oh, they tell
Platform
me.
2 for the Brighton service. If you're staying on board this train, please be aware we do have a 10-minute wait now at Hove. Timetable to depart at 15:20. Then we call Preston Park. The station's up to Gatwick and London. Now arriving at Hove.
We are now approaching home. Please mind the gap between the platform and the train.
Okay, if he's been missing for more than 30 years, he's 45 years old. Why has he got such a good picture? Wait, what? 30 years ago, did they have cameras like that?
Yeah.
Home.
Like good pictures like that, like with focus and everything?
Probably not.
London
That's a proper
Victoria.
focus.
Yeah, like my camera
Like,
tape.
wear something like that 30 years ago.
They probably just want to get money.
Why would they want money?
No, it's just a stock photo.
But it says,
Yeah. But
Lee was found missing.
yeah, was reported. He weren't found missing, was he?
No, he said he's still missing.
Yeah, so he's not found missing, is he?
They just found out after 30 years that he's missing.
Shit, we lost a kid.
Wow.
They ain't come back here in 30 years.
Got the baby.
You got the baby?
We're right close next to the sea again.
That's amazing.
You're in a train. You're not going to smell much on a train, are you? Except train. Okay. Case. It's very hard. They should be able to go up.
Yeah, I know.
Not be crazy.
Right, leave her. Can Chloe Lane on this?
Later. Much better.
What are you recording?
Who are you saying this recording to?
What are you recording for? No one. I'm just doing it for my phone, so I just have to watch it. Because I'm bored and I can't watch YouTube, so
You're watching your recording.
yes.
You can watch without recording it.
It's better than YouTube.
Really not.
Ugly. Here it comes.
She's recording because she can't watch YouTube. Wi-Fi.
She's gonna watch our video. Yes.
Even though she's in real time.
I've just been letting my
uh,
look go by itself.
Katie, don't you have Snapchat? Please don't film.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.